So we're back with the 1992 Volvo 240. And if you've seen that I've been having a lot of issues with this guy, especially in like a rough start, rough idle. It went from a rough start and a rough idle to a no start. But I figured it out, finally. It just took me watching some of Driving the Brick's videos. So big shout out to Driving the Brick. I really appreciate your videos. They help me out a lot, especially in this 240. And let me show you what I found. So this is their distributor, right? Let me just pop that off. The battery's not disconnected, but the distributor has no power as of right now. Bam! I don't know why it took me so long to pop this guy open. I was over here replacing engine coolant temp sensors. I replaced the MAF sensor. I cleaned up injectors. I cleaned up hoses. I checked everything for leaks. I changed fuel filter. I pressure tested the fuel system. I did a bunch of stuff. But it took me forever to just look at the distributor cap. I don't understand why my brain didn't do that. I replaced the alternator, replaced the battery. So I spent a bunch of money when all I needed to do was replace the rotator on the distributor. But you know what? You live and you learn. You make mistakes and you keep moving forward. And that's all we can do. Have a good one.